everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Tatiana, and I have my boyfriend Nick here.
Hi.
And I had a lot of fun with the last video that I did where I dyed my hair copper with the hair makeup by Curlsmith. So I wanted to see how it looked on Nick's hair. And today we are going to be doing, focus, rose gold. Yay! Okay, so how do you feel about that, Nick? Are you ready?
I wanted to go to the Maldives.
How do I want to approach this?
Just put it in my head.
They always say to do it while it's wet, but you always get more color if it's dry. So I'm just gonna skip the part where we do it while it's wet and then wait for it to dry and then do it while it's dry.
Get on my shirt?
No. Smell it. It smells good.
Oh, it smells like fucking Starburst. Alright, put it in. Let's get this over with. And I got a doctor's appointment. The doctor's gonna be like, huh, let's give you a different medication.
Right? Ooh, pretty! Give me more.
I was gonna say, there's no pink to it. It looks brown. You need a lot of this. I have dark hair.
I don't know. I'm not done. It's like, so far it's just coming up as like highlights, so we're gonna put more on it.
No.
13-year-old me would have loved that hairstyle.
Make it more pink.
Hold this.
It doesn't even look that pink.
No, it's probably because your hair is brown. But here, I can put more on it. That's pretty pink. Well, it's not exactly pink. It's rose gold. But that's pretty like shimmery and stuff. Do you see that, guys? And then when it dries, it'll look different too. But here, I'm gonna get the sides.
What? The sides too?
Yeah.
No, this looks good.
No.
No, because that's too much. Just leave it there. That looks good. At least make it look good.
Okay.
Style it. Get the front though. The front is not dark. I got you, homie.
I didn't want to do this.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna style my hair. Oh, shit. It's thick.
It's gel.
Oh, this is...
But you like gel.
Yeah, but this is very, very thick. Let me pause. Boyfriend points for me. Get you a boyfriend that gets these without you asking.
Yeah.
Tell them this story. While I fix my head. Very proud of this story.
I ran out of like makeup removing wipes, and I didn't even tell Nick that I ran out of them, but I needed some more. And he just got me some more without me saying anything.
Hey, I'm proud of that. That's boyfriend growing up.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, guys, we're back.
Pink hair!
It's pink. Can they see it?
It looks really good. I think I did a good job. What do you think, babe?
I mean, if my hair was shorter and I could spike it up at the front so it didn't just look like it was like just slicked back, then yeah, I think it would look cool. I really want to try the other color, like the yellows and the blues.
You know what we should do now? We should put some copper on it and see what it looks like together.
Alright guys, so now that we did the pink, she's gonna throw copper in my hair.
Woo! Okay.
It's hard as a rock. Good luck.
This will just be like highlights of copper. Ooh. That's fun. Well, now it just looks copper.
Get a copper. One day you can get my beard. But not today.
I actually wanted to do that today. I just forgot. Can we do... Please? We should have done this when your beard was really long. Before you cut it.
Alright guys. Well.
Show them the actual like... Nice. That looks like just a terrible dye job on your beard.
So at least I still got pretty blue eyes. But
show the copper. When we added copper to it, it kind of, here, step in the light. Yeah, it looks like a good mixture between like copper and rose gold, I think, actually. It looks like a silverish orange.
I wish they made a silver. I'd look fucking cool. You'd
That
look
would be cool, yeah.
If they made like a
Silver.
whiter silver.
Yeah.
That'd be kinda
Curlsmith. Do a silver. I guess that's the end. Nick didn't let me do the sides of his head. I'm a little bit sad.
Look, it would have looked bad. Just make it look cool. I don't want to fucking. This at least I can get away with it. I'm not saying I'd go anywhere with this, but I wouldn't. If I had to, I'd be better with this.
Nick's gonna go to his doctor's appointment with
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Yeah, he is.
No, man. No.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. That was the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it. Greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Fuck. What?
You really got me this time. Bye, guys.
It looks great.